A recent NerdWallet survey finds that food costs are the biggest strain on finances for exactly half of Americans and 54% of young people in particular. So Amazon Fresh just rolled out new ways to save on groceries.
We've rolled out Amazon Saver, our new private label brand of affordable grocery essentials that help customers stretch their grocery budgets even further. Amazon Saver is a no-frills brand that delivers great quality at a great value to our customers. Amazon Saver is available to all customers.
But it's not its only food brand.
We've got Amazon Fresh, which has some of my favorite nuts. We've got the pistachios that I like to sprinkle on salads. We also have 365 by Whole Foods Market, some of my favorite cheese crackers that go into my kids' lunches almost every day, and these Amazon Saver graham crackers that have become a favorite in my household for s'mores. We also have Amazon Kitchen and Happy Belly in our portfolio of private brands.
And it really saves to be a Prime member.
Prime members can save an additional 10% off of those private brands. So Amazon Saver, which is already a great value, most products are priced under $5. Those Prime members can get an additional 10% on top of that. They can also get up to 50% off on a rotation of 8 to 15 grocery favorites each week, from produce and protein to pantry staples. So great prices for all customers every day with a little bit extra for Prime members.
Saving money is always good, but we're not just short on dimes, but also time.
We've made it even easier with a refreshed online storefront that is more intuitive and a little bit more similar to shopping in a physical grocery store. Customers can now navigate from aisle to aisle with a simple click. They can also take advantage of more personalized services. So if you want to get your groceries delivered at the same time and same day every week, customers can take advantage of our recurring reservations. If you know that you ordered the same products each week, you always have eggs in your basket, you always have milk, customers can take advantage of our repeat item service. And so that, along with a subscription, is really our way of trying to save our customers time and money.
Get more info at amazon.com/fresh.